Now today, we've got a huge lineup and only one postponement.
Right, that's right. And may have been a good idea because we are expecting some rain during the day today. Not a washout. Really, our heaviest rain will be late tonight and ending by early tomorrow morning.
Kind of perfect.
So yeah, if we have to have any rainfall this weekend, best to get it in and out late tonight, done with by tomorrow morning, and then the parades for tomorrow can roll unabated. And it looks like that is going to be the case. We've already got some showers, although you see the rain on radar. Now, sometimes these are higher up in the atmosphere and not actually reaching the surface because our radar site is in Slidell, and you're looking at a pretty far distance. And in fact, none of our observing stations, Houma, nor around Franklin, Patterson, or Morgan City, reporting any rainfall reaching the ground. So likely that those are falling in the upper part of the atmosphere, the upper part of the troposphere, in what's called virga, meaning it falls but then evaporates before it actually reaches the surface, because we still have relatively dry air down at the surface, although those dew points are going to be coming up. Easterly wind right now, but we're going to see more of a southeasterly wind during the day. 46 degrees currently at Kenner, and temperatures still very chilly, 30s and 40s with some 50s along the coast. And it's going to stay pretty cool all day today. Today's high only expected to get up to around 60 degrees. Some spots will likely remain in the 50s, so cool, kind of like it was last night, but we're not going to see as much wind during the day today. Winds have already diminished, and as I mentioned, we are going to see that wind kind of shifting direction during the day. Headed out early this morning for parades or family gras, really no problems. Mostly cloudy skies, around 57 degrees by noon. 4 o'clock, a 60-degree temperature. That'll be our high for the day, and about a 30% chance of rain during the afternoon. Probably after 8, 9 o'clock is when some of the heavier rains will start to move into the area, coming from west to east. So the heavier rains by 8 o'clock, and probably about an 80 to 100% chance of rain during the overnight hours. And then by early on Sunday morning, most of that rainfall will be gone. Here's what's happening. We actually have a couple of features in the upper atmosphere. One is a deepening trough, and the second one is actually a big upper low off the west coast of Mexico. But what it's doing is sending in moisture and energy across Mexico and into southern Texas. And these features, as they kind of join, create a little bit of a lift in the atmosphere and will help to develop kind of a surface feature. That surface feature is going to move toward us during the day and increase our rain coverage. Already seeing some showers developing across East Texas and Southwest Louisiana. Again, a lot of this, at least in Southeast Louisiana, not reaching the ground right now, but that is going to change as we continue through the day. So the disturbance that develops, we'll be watching this form as we get later into the afternoon. And by later tonight, notice it starts more southwestern and south central Louisiana, and by 7 o'clock, notice still a good part of the area and Mississippi coast still relatively dry. Those showers start moving into the Florida parishes, so from Baton Rouge toward the North Shore, and the North Shore and Mississippi coast do have a better chance to see maybe a bit more accumulation of rainfall, so some minor flooding possible on the North Shore and Mississippi coast from about maybe 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. And notice even at 9 o'clock, heaviest rainfall on the North Shore, more so than the city. Rainfall continues to increase during the nighttime tonight and into the early morning hours, still some lingering showers. And then just around daybreak, a lot of the rainfall will be wrapping up. Now, this model keeps a few lingering showers around even into the 10 a.m. to noon hour tomorrow. However, I think a lot of it will be wrapping up by mid-morning and into the early afternoon. Tomorrow, rainfall will be gone. So again, if we have to deal with any kind of rain during the weekend, best that it comes in during the night tonight, overnight, and is gone by tomorrow. So no real problems for the parades today. A 30% chance for afternoon showers with high temperatures only in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. So headed out today, dress warmer. Tonight, mild. We'll be in the 50s on both sides of the lake with those showers moving in. And at times, we'll see some heavy, especially on the North Shore, where it looks like rainfall will get started earlier, which is why we're expecting a bit more accumulation there. 60% chance of rain during the evening, 80 to 100% during the overnight hours. 7-day forecast, that rain wraps up early on Sunday, and then we are dry. Still think we'll have some cloudy skies around during the afternoon hours on Sunday, but clearing out behind a cold front. Notice our morning lows on Monday, 40s to near 50, 65 degrees. Beautiful day Monday, figures no parades on Monday. We'd have another chance of rain with another cold front. Tuesday into early Wednesday, parades get started again Wednesday evening. It looks like right now we will be drying out and turning cooler, so kind of chilly for Wednesday night. And at the moment, Thursday and Friday look dry and mild.